This is our SL01 Up Light. This product was the foundation of Sterling Lighting's growth. I love this product. This is the most used product in landscape lighting. This is the most used product in my lighting design. Easier to service than a drop-in or retrofit lamp, but giving you the reliability and the longevity that you get on an integrated light. This has a better light performance than any other light on the market. Number one, it uses a better light source, which is foundational for landscape lighting. It uses a single source LED, which gives us greater control, and uses a premium optic. So we're able to really control the beam spread, the light output, the clarity of light. So your number one thing is the performance. The second thing is every detail has been thought about in this product. We've looked at everything from how the fixture actually goes together to the ease of service on it, the ease of adjustability on it. A lighting company would choose this product because it is going to make their life so much easier down the road. This is the most used product, and we needed to have a lot of different things built into it. We needed to make certain that it was reliable. We needed to make certain that it did perform at the level that it needed to. My customers are always shocked when they call me up and say, it's been 10 years and I haven't even had a light go out. That's just the standard of reliability that we've come to expect using this product. And that's why you should be using this product, because it's simply a better product. It works better, it's more reliable, and it performs better. This product represents who we are, and that's Sterling Lighting.